Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguy.com and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated kitchen wallpapers. If you're looking for a low-cost solution to refresh the look of your kitchen without having to hire a whole renovation crew, installing wallpaper is a great option. In this video, we'll go through the 7 best kitchen wallpapers available right now, so don't forget to take your pick at the end. The team at trustedshopguy.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the kitchen wallpapers that will be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options so that you'll be able to decide on the ideal choice. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at trustedshopguy.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first kitchen wallpaper in our list is the Palisade Kitchen Wallpaper, which our team at trustedshopguy.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. The Palisade Kitchen Wallpaper combines classy finishes with a grout-free appearance. The interlocking edges enable easy project layout and perfect tile connection in designs that give any kitchen the ideal finishing touch. They have external dimensions of 23.23 by 0.2 by 11.11 inches and an overall weight of 2.4 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Cover large areas. Each carton has 10 panels, which will provide coverage for 17.9 square feet. Highly durable. They're made of sturdy PVC, so they can withstand moisture, sunlight, and washing. Easy to install. These tiles are lightweight, which makes cutting and installing them less difficult and much easier for do-it-yourselfers. Waterproof. They can withstand moisture exposure in a tile shower or any other area. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is these tiles are quite thin, but they're sturdy. The second kitchen wallpaper in our list is the Art 3D Kitchen Wallpaper, which our team at trustedshopguy.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. The Art 3D Kitchen Wallpaper will save you time and effort since they can be easily applied over existing panels or flat surfaces. They were created specifically for backsplashes in kitchens and bathrooms, and they can withstand the moisture and heat of bathrooms. As for the size, they measure 11.81 by 11.81 by 0.04 inches and weigh 1.3 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Great design. They're constructed from an adhesive base that's covered in an epoxy resin gel for remarkable visual impact. Easy to install. These tiles are light and thin, so they can be quickly installed over a clean surface without creating any mess or requiring any specialized tools. Customizable. They use affordable wall covering material, so if you're getting tiles installed in the same design, you can simply peel them off and choose a new style. Mosaic sticker. The mosaic sticker offers a wide variety of options to suit your various tastes. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is not fireproof, steamproof, or waterproof. These tiles shouldn't come into direct contact with fire, steam, or water. The third kitchen wallpaper in our list is the Yipscazo Kitchen Wallpaper, which our team at trustedshopguy.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. The Yipscazo Kitchen Wallpaper is capable of withstanding wear and tear in a real kitchen. The best part is that you can get the look that you've always wanted without investing a ton of time or materials. In terms of size, they measure 10 by 10 by 0.7 inches and weigh 1.57 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Easy wipe with a sponge. You can easily clean it with a sponge, improve your kitchen, and save time without having to worry about potential spills. Easy to install. These tiles are thin and flexible with a sticky surface that makes them easy to install. Cut to size and put stickers around electrical outlets. Just some scissors and a measuring tape will do to start your engineering. Easy to remove. The backsplash sheets can be removed from the wall if the alignment is off within 6 hours, and you can pull up the corners to restick them if they came out a little crooked. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, it is recommended to use 3M spray, which can make up for painted walls that are not suitable for installation and further improve the product's performance. The fourth kitchen wallpaper in our list is the Tic Tac Kitchen Wallpaper, which our team at trustedshopguy.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. The Tic Tac Kitchen Wallpaper features a 3D texture and a realistic tile look. They're perfect for do-it-yourself projects since you just need to peel and attach them, rather than using glue, grout, or any other messy materials. When it comes to their size, they measure 11.26 by 10.98 by 0.75 inches and weigh 1.52 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Eco-friendly. They have antibacterial and anti-mold material that doesn't emit dioxins. Easy installation. The peel and stick feature makes installation easy and helps you save both time and money. Easy to clean and maintain. You can easily remove stains with a cleaning product and a sponge. Safe, non-toxic, pet-based. Putting your safety above all else, these tiles are built to be antifungal, antibacterial, heavy metal-free, and formaldehyde-free. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is make sure you're certain of your placement before attaching them to the wall because they adhere incredibly well. The fifth kitchen wallpaper in our list is the Nisha Kitchen Wallpaper, which our team at trustedshopguy.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Putting up this kitchen wallpaper set is an easy and inexpensive way to give your kitchen a modern makeover. They are surface safe, come with 24 4x4-inch decals, and are simple to apply, remove, and clean. In terms of dimensions, each of them weighs 3.87 ounces and measures 3.94 by 3.94 by 0.08. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: quality materials. They're made of thin but durable vinyl that won't peel, tear, or lift the edges, so they will last for a very long time. Beautiful designs. These tiles come in many beautiful designs that fit any decorator's tastes, so you can redecorate and update your space by quickly applying them. Easy to install. Any do-it-yourselfer can remove the paper backing that has a unique adhesive glue and press it onto a clean, flat surface, eliminating any air bubbles or pockets. Easy to clean. The colors of the decals won't fade over time, and the wallpaper can be cleaned with a damp cloth without ruining its gorgeous designs. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is make sure not to bend any of the edges, as it can be a challenge to smooth them out. The 6th kitchen wallpaper in our list is the LONGKING kitchen wallpaper, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Transform your space without the hassle of remodeling with a 10-sheet peel-and-stick tile backsplash for kitchen in marble design. These beautiful tiles make it easy to give your kitchen floor a sophisticated makeover without all of the hard work. In terms of size, they measure 11.81 by 11.81 by 0.05 inches and weigh 1.96 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: heat resistant. The peel-and-stick kitchen tiles are resistant to the heat of a stove. Easy to install. They're so simple to install that you won't make a mess when applying them. Easy to remove. These tiles come in a box of 10 and are easy to remove without damaging your walls. Wide variety of colors. They come in different colors to go with any color scheme: white, brown, black, and gray. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is these tiles take time to install, but once they're already installed, they're definitely worth it. The 7th kitchen wallpaper in our list is the Livelynine kitchen wallpaper, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. The Livelynine kitchen wallpaper can be installed with no grout or special tools required. Simply remove the backing, place the tiles to the floor, then cut them to size using a tool knife. When it comes to their size, they measure 12 by 12 by 0.06 inches and weigh 2.4 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: easy to remove. They can be taken off without leaving any sticky residue and can be used on cabinets or countertops. Multi-purpose. These tiles can be used as temporary flooring for apartments, removable floor tiles for renters, kitchens and bathrooms, peel-and-stick flooring for laundry rooms and bedrooms, and an alternative to laminate or linoleum flooring. DIY freely. You can trim grid lines and backing paper for precise measurements, cut to any size, and peel and stick on any smooth object. Durable materials. They're built of durable PVC and have a smooth surface that makes them waterproof and oil-proof. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is, given how hefty they are, installation requires at least 2 persons. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated kitchen wallpapers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next kitchen wallpaper roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.